Hey man, welcome back. The anticipated part 2 Global City Building Game, a cargo airport. Here I will share with you all of the recipes and items and coins and tokens and so forth and so on that you will need to complete your cargo airport up to your first airplane. To begin, you will need all of these items. I hope that you have access to or that you can get those items. Alongside the various items that you will need, you will also need some tokens, and you will surely need a deep pocket. Is 150,000 coins. That's what's going to be needed to get that there first airplane. So, starting off your tutorial, we're going to move right into stage 1. For stage 1, you will be building a warehouse. Warehouse, conveniently located there upon your airport, also has a second section. Here are the items that you will need. After you build your warehouse, your airport is going to need a fuel station. In order to build your fuel station, you will need these items to begin with, followed by these items to complete it. After you've built your fuel station and you're feeling nifty with your cargo airport, you will then need to build your radar points. Your radar point to begin with will be starting off with these materials, and they will be followed close behind by these materials. Having a cargo airport and being able to ship supplies to and fro, your cargo airport is going to need a fairly important item. And in case you have not figured out what that item to be, let me share with you the items you will need for your runway. Yes, folks, in order to get them planes off the ground to begin with, you will need them items. You will follow up them items with these to complete your runway. Also in there, you will see stage 5. Stage 5 will be to buy your first airplane, folks. Yes, you will be able to fly the friendly skies, Amazon style or UPS style, whichever one you suit. So, I will see you again when we come back for the cargo airport. Some modernization, folks. Let's make a helicopter or an airplane bigger, more efficient. So until the next video, I am out of here.